Good morning, friends. I'm doing a breakfast prep today for the rest of this week. I'll show you what I found. So I saw these on a commercial, and thankfully our Walmart had them. They are a foldable tortilla. Look at, they have, right? So you can make little pockets. And in my head, this just screams breakfast. So I have my bacon in the oven right now. Bacon in the oven is a great way to get it so it stays flat instead of curling up on itself. You can control the temperature, and then we save our bacon grease to use for other things. Once that is done, we're gonna throw eggs in. Just a sheet pan, grease it really well so they don't stick. This happens to be 14 eggs because that's what we had left over from the last batch into this batch, rather than just an even dozen. I poke mine because I don't like a big ball of yolk. Salt and pepper. These will go in after the bacon is done, give that a chance to set, and then we'll bake this up. And then I'm gonna put a square of the egg in the middle, probably one piece of bacon like cut in half, so there's 2 there, and then a piece of cheese. There's 8 in here, so I will put 2 in a bag that I will have for breakfast. Bacon is done. Eggs are done. I'm gonna cut those into the size of my tortillas, like the square piece in the middle. Piece of cheese in there, and we'll be good to go. I have 1 slice bacon broken in half, 1 of my egg squares, put a piece of cheese on there, fold them up. Obviously I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of water like on this tip so that when I close it, it sticks a little bit. Put 2 in a bag, and then they're ready to microwave for a super breakfast during the week. Easy peasy. Got my stack of finished guys there. Super cute. I've got a couple bacons and egg left over that I can eat here for breakfast. Tip, definitely, because you see how thin they ended up. If you're gonna do this, I recommend the sheet pan or like a cookie sheet so you can make them thin. That way they fold up nicely. There's not a lot of give to like if you have a fluffier egg in there, so like a thin egg like this works out great. There'll be a little bit more than 1 egg per pocket because that was 14 eggs total and I used 8 pieces and there's 3 left, so it's a little more than 1 egg per tortilla. It's 1 piece of bacon cut into your broken, I didn't cut it, I used my fingers, to about 2 or 3 pieces, and 1 tortilla is 140 calories. So overall, if you're just doing 1, that is a perfectly healthy breakfast. It's very protein forward. I'm personally gonna take 2. I prefer a bigger breakfast and then a lighter lunch. So I'm gonna put 2 of these per bag, and then I have 4 breakfasts for this week.